Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to sound more polished or professional when writing emails, reports, or documents? In today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to instantly transform casual or messy writing into professional and high quality content. So let's dive in. So remember, I am using ChatGPT 4.0 model. So this is the one that you pay for. So you can still use the free version. It will give you the same output, but this one is highly integrated. So I prefer using this one. It's just around $24 and above a month. So today I am going to make sure that you know how to use ChatGPT to write any text to sound more kind of professional, whether you're sending a job application, writing a formal email, or just editing your content. And also, this tool can save you time and help you look good in front of others. So now, before we begin, here's a quick refresher. ChatGPT is just an AI tool created by OpenAI. You just give it text and it gives you a written version. So think of it like your personal writing assistant, only faster and always available. So why would you want to write something to sound more professional? Let's say, for example, maybe your writing feels too casual, or maybe it has grammar issues. Maybe you are not sure how to sound kind of polite, clear, or confident. Whatever the reason, ChatGPT can help you just one simple prompt. So, and the best part is you don't need to know fancy grammar rules. You just need to know how to ask ChatGPT. So let's start with our first example, something like turning a casual message into a professional mail. So let's say, for example, let's give it this prompt that say, hey, just wanted to ask if you chance to look at sent last week or something like that. So let's go ahead and ask it, give it an example and see what happens. So here, hey, just wanted to ask if you have had a chance to look at the report I sent last week. Then, so this is just a friendly but not professional. So here's how you ask ChatGPT to rewrite it. So you have this kind of thing, and you want ChatGPT to rewrite it. So what you do is, can you rewrite this into to sound kind of more professional? So you give the details there. Then you write the prompt down. So you write the prompt down here. So can you rewrite this to sound more professional and polite? So it will go ahead and do that for you. Look at that. So it will come on the screen. So it has given you. Certainly, here is a more professional, polite version of your message. Hello, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to follow up and see if you've had a chance to review the report I sent last week. Then you can see that is sounding kind of professional and all that. So you can even make it much better. And when you look at this one, it looks much better, right? It's clear, polite, and professional. The next thing that I want us to do is to fix some grammar and structure. So let's say, for example, you have some detail that you want your ChatGPT to fix for you. Let's say, for example, I was thinking it might be good if we maybe had a meeting sometime next week if you're free. When you look at that statement, it's not grammatically correct. So you can ask ChatGPT to align your statement, give it a good grammar, and also make it more clarity and sound more like professional English. So please write this to improve clarity and sound more professional. So you click enter, then ChatGPT will give you the output here. Sure, here is a clearer and more professional version of your sentence. So I was wondering if we could schedule a meeting sometimes next week if you're available. Look at that. That is kind of professional, and it gives you a sense of something good, and you sound kind of, you know, a lot of English. So the next thing that I want us to go is, what if you need a formal tone for report, proposal, or assignment? And ChatGPT can also help you be kind of formal and perform your assignment well. So we found out that people don't really like the app design. That's just a detail that we want to see. So this is the prompt that you give ChatGPT. Remember, always give ChatGPT details to understand what you're trying to prompt it. So rewrite this in a professional business tone. Then it will go ahead. So depending on the data that you have, you just give it, then it will write for you the thing. So we have received feedback indicating that users are not fully satisfied with the current app design. So that sounds kind of professional, and the tone is kind of business wise. So be specific in your prompt. Tell ChatGPT exactly what you want, the tone, the format, and the audience. Give and make sure always you give context. You can say things like, this is for a job application, or this is going to my professor. So then make sure always you use follow-ups. If the first version isn't perfect, just say make it more concise or use simpler words. And then try different styles. Ask for formal, semi-formal, friendly, professional, or business visuals. So to make sure that you get the best output. So one cool trick is to use ChatGPT on custom instructions. You can set it to always respond in a professional tone. Just go to your settings, then where they are. Then after you're done on your settings, custom instruction, tell it how you want your answers to always appear in every time. So there you have it. ChatGPT is an easy and powerful way to make your writing sound more professional. It's like having a writing coach in your pocket. So give it a try. The next time you're writing an email, proposal, or anything that needs a professional polish, if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification. Let me know in the comments what kind of text you want to rewrite, and I might feature it in my next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.